In this video, I will show you how to do this easy eye makeup look. It's literally so easy. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. First, you need to fill in your brows. I'm gonna fill in my brows off camera. After I fill in my brows, I use concealer and I apply concealer all over my eyelids. Both eyelids, obviously, and I just pat the concealer like with a brush all over my lids. Your concealer can be in any shade that works best for you, but I just chose a shade that's close to my skin tone. Now we finished the concealer, let's start the eyeshadow part. I'm using this palette called the Nubian 3 Coral by Juvia's Place. You can use any palette you want, but this is just the palette that I'll be using. This is the inside of the palette. Start off by using a shade similar to this. You can use whatever brush you want, but this is the type of brush I'll be using. Now I'm gonna start applying the shadow in the inner corner almost, but make sure to brush it gently, like in circular motions. Now I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. Now you move on to the outer corner. You do the same thing that you were doing in the inner corner. You apply the shadow in a circular motion, like you move your brush in a circular motion to apply it, and then you go on the other side and do the exact same thing on the other eye. Now you should get a color similar to this, and then you go over the inner corner on top of the other shade that we used previously. Now with the same shade that we just used, you are going to move on to the outer corner. Now you move on to the other eye, and I selected a lightest brown color for this part, but it's okay if you don't see the brown on your eyes. It's not really supposed to show that much anyway, so it's fine if it doesn't show. If you barely have any lid space like me, you can lightly blend upward in a circular motion to make the eyeshadow go up more, so it can be more visible. Now you should get a smaller brush like this. Get some of this shade that we used earlier, and then you lightly underline the bottom of your eye, but like in a circular motion. Try to connect that shadow with the shadow in your outer corner. Now get the same brown shade that you used earlier and do the same thing that you literally just did with the pinkish shade. Just go on your underneath your eye and try to connect it with your outer corner. Now I'm gonna get my mini spray bottle full of water, and if you don't have one, that's fine. Just find a way to dampen your brush a little bit. You can use a sink, you can use just any type of water. Now I'm gonna use this golden glitter shade. And the reason why you should make sure your brush is damp is so the glitter can stick on the brush really easily and so it can be more pigmented. Now on that empty spot in the middle of your lid, tap the glitter shade in that area and make sure to spread it out on the top of your eye, like what I'm doing right now. And yeah. Now get your eyeliner of choice. I'm using this eyeliner that my friend got me for my birthday, and I really like this eyeliner. And for eyeliner, I prefer to use liquid, and I'm not going to do an eyeliner tutorial in this video, but I can do an eyeliner tutorial in a different video. This video is not how to do eyeliner, it's just how to do this makeup look, but I can make a how to do eyeliner video if anyone wants to see that. This part is optional, but I'm doing the inner corner of my liner. You don't have to do this part, but I feel like it completed the look, so if you want to do the inner eyeliner thing, then do it. It's okay if the eyeliner doesn't look even because you're gonna cover it with lashes at the end anyway, so it's fine. Now get your lashes. I'm using the Ardell Wispy ones. You can use any lashes you want. Now apply your lashes. I don't know why I look so confused. This is the final result. I actually kind of like it. I didn't expect it to turn out like this, but yeah. If you want this to look even more complete, you can get like a brownish lipstick. I'm using this matte liquid lipstick from Maybelline. Any Maybelline matte liquid lipstick is really good to use. I don't know, that's what I prefer to use. It's my favorite at the moment, so yeah. Okay, so this is the actual final result. I hope you like it. Yeah. Let me know what video I should make next.